In today's video, we'll help you determine where your Ford F-150 was built. While the majority of F-150s are built and assembled in the United States, over the years, Ford has had vehicle assembly plants located worldwide to include the United States, Canada, Mexico, Spain, and Germany. You can use the VIN number on your vehicle to determine the location of where it was built. The VIN, or Vehicle Identification Number, is a special code that every vehicle has. It's kind of like a fingerprint for your vehicle. Position 11 of the VIN number tells you the assembly plant for where your vehicle was built. Most of the F-Series trucks are manufactured in the United States. Here you see a list of some of the other places where Ford has built their vehicles over the years. For example, if your VIN number has a letter F in position 11, that means your F-150 was made at the Michigan plant. If it has a letter K, it was manufactured at the Missouri plant. Ford makes it a priority to manufacture their trucks in the United States. Therefore, there's a high probability your truck was manufactured at either the Michigan or Missouri plants. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. If position 11 of your vehicle's VIN number has a character not on the list, we'll leave a link to Ford's website down in the description below where you can enter the VIN for your specific vehicle to determine exactly where it was built. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.